Hey guys, Elizabeth here, and today we're going to make another tutorial. Now, today I was going to show you how to put watermarks on your YouTube channel. Now, this website right here makes it to where you can cut a square picture and cut out the background. For like how I do my watermark, my original picture was a square with a circle in the center of it, but I didn't like that for my watermark, so I went to this website to cut out the ground so it would be just a normal round circle. Now, you don't have to do this, but you know, it looks good. So I'll have this website in the description below, and you'll just come to upload an image. See, this is my done picture. See how it doesn't have the things on the outside? But this is what it was. And you let it load, and it comes to this. And yes, it will have like a lot of stuff already cut out of it. And you just go here, and you mark what you want. You know, just blah 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 blah. See, and it'll show up over here what you'll want. And see, you just scribble it in. Make sure it gets all of it, because some stuff on the inside might be might not be colored in. And I'm not going to spend time on this because I spent like 30 minutes on my other one, maybe an hour. And see, it's got the whole thing. Now, if you just went through here and you did this and you still have this stuff out, but you don't want to go back, you press this little eraser and you can zoom in and you can just erase. See? But see, on mine, it still has those little tiny spots, which I don't like, so I went a little bit over the line. And they're gone. Now, I don't know what this yellow one does. I don't see the point of it. Or this eraser. I'm sure it's the same thing. Oh. No, it's not. Huh. Well, that's different. Anywho. And this little thing moves your thing. And you don't have to move both of them. You just have to move this one. And I don't know what I don't know what that does. Anyway, so you could play with different settings. This is not the tutorial I'm gonna show you. You'd press save and it'd go to your downloads. Anyway, so you have your picture, the picture that you want, background cutout, transparent, all that stuff, and then you go to the top right corner, your channel, YouTube Studio. We'll go to settings, and this is all your settings, and you'll go to channel, and then you'll go to branding, and see, there's my little thing, and it'll, here, let me see, remove, it'll look like this for you, and it'll go to choose image. You would go to your downloads and you'd see your picture, but for me, it's in my folder, and I would click it there, and I put it for the entire video, and then save. So yeah, guys, that's how you put watermarks on your videos. I hope it was a quick and easy video, so I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a video. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye!